friends, welcome back. Today we're celebrating 6,000 subscribers and 6,000 friends who enjoy spicy hot food from my hometown Sichuan. Thank you so much for supporting me along my YouTube journey, and I'm more pumped than ever to show you more Sichuan recipes. I know a lot of you subscribe to my channel because of this video. So today we're going to make the hottest chili oil with the hottest pepper in the whole world. Introducing Carolina Reapers. Carolina Reapers are the hottest chili in the world, and they have over 1 million heat units on the Scoville scale. If you don't know what Scoville scale is, it is how we measure how hot a chili pepper is. And Carolina Reapers are the hottest chili in the world. Ooh, the sheer smell of it is so crazy, and today we're going to make the hottest chili oil with this pepper, and I'm going to try it out just for you guys. Am I scared? A little bit, but challenge accepted. So now let's get started. First, I'm going to roast the Carolina Reapers. These peppers are very fruity, so I really want to get a smoky flavor on them. Let's turn on the fire. A medium-low heat, and let's drop in the chilies. We will slowly roast the Carolina Reapers until they're slightly darkened. So you might ask, are Carolina Reapers ghost peppers? They actually look pretty similar, but Carolina Reapers are actually spicier than ghost peppers. They are currently the record holder of the spiciest chilies in the world. As you can see, the peppers are slightly scorched on the skin. The air is already filled with a lot of spiciness. I can smell it, so I highly recommend open your window when you do this. After roasting the peppers, the air is filled with spiciness, and I feel it's very hard to breathe right now. But the next step, we're gonna mash the peppers and mix it up with some other chili powders. You can tell the Carolina Reapers are already becoming a chili powder, and we're ready to go to the next step. I can tell you it is smelling really pungent. Now we have our container, Carolina Reaper powder, and some regular Sichuan chili powder. These chilies are mild in spiciness. So we're gonna add 2 spoonfuls of Carolina Reaper chilies. And then we're gonna add the rest of our regular chili powder. Basically add to about 1/3 of your container. So I think I used about 5 spoonfuls of regular chili and 2 spoonfuls of spicy chili. And we're just gonna give it a mix. Next, we're gonna drop in some sesame seeds. And let's give it a mix. Now our chili powder mix is ready. As you guys know that to make chili oil, we need to use some dry spices and some aromatics for the oil. Today for the dry spices, we have 1 piece of star anise, 1 small bay leaf, 1 clover, some fennel seeds, and 1 small piece of cinnamon. For the aromatics, we have 1/4 of an onion and 1 piece of garlic clove. In our pan, let's add oil. When bubbles come out, testing with the chopstick, drop in the aromatics. When the aromatics are starting to brown, take them out. Now we're gonna drop in our spices. Let the spices fry for 3 to 4 minutes. When they start to darken, we'll take them out. Now before we pour the hot oil in the chili powder, we're gonna drop in a little bit of cold oil to prevent burning. When your oil starts to smoke a little, this is the right time to just pour it in. Give it a stir. Make sure all the chili powder is mixed in the oil. Lastly, I'm gonna drop in a Carolina Reaper as a garnish. And just look at that red color. Looks so super spicy hot. Let this Carolina Reaper really marinate in the hot oil. Alright guys, now our chili oil is made. Let's let it cool and let's cook some dumplings and try it. When the dumplings are golden brown on the bottom, it's ready. Alright guys, now we're ready to try this hottest chili oil made with the hottest pepper in the world. We're gonna first add some soy sauce and vinegar to our sauce. And then our chili oil. Look at that red color. And then just add it to the sauce. I can already smell it. This smells dangerously hot. Alright guys, ready? Here is the Carolina Reaper, the hottest pepper chili oil dumpling dipping sauce. Oh! Oh! This is literally the hottest chili oil I ever had. If you really want a hot chili oil, you can give this a try. But I personally wouldn't recommend doing it because it is so hot and the chili oil just really makes my throat want to close. It's really hard for me to even talk right now. But it's really fun to make it, and the hot chili really just wakes you up. So if you have a high tolerance of spicy food, this one is for you. Otherwise, I would stay with Sichuan Argentine chili or other kinds of chili, the flavorful ones, and they make great chili oil. But this hot chili oil is a challenge, and I'm sure one of you guys would love to try it, and let me know in the comment if you do try it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I do hope you enjoyed cooking the hottest chili oil with me, and I personally enjoyed it so much. In Sichuan, we love spicy hot food, and every time when we cook it, we eat it, we're so excited and have so much fun. So this is why I started my YouTube channel, because I really want to share the joy and the fun of cooking these recipes with you guys. So thanks so much for hanging, and I'm so excited to share more and more recipes with you guys in the future. I'll see you next time.